Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In today's newspaper on Monday, June the 24th, 2024. And in this additional, I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's now time for the Jigsaw Sudoku. The Jigsaw Sudoku. This will be number 8784. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 11 printed digits. Could be the hard one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. And for a 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is: can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box. There's single box. Always a 1. Next question: do we have here duo boxes? See here duo box. Only one duo box. Yes, contains the 1 and the 2. Or the 2 is already given. So this box will be a 1. Here we have another one, but cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes: 1 and 2. Next question: do we have here triple boxes? I see only one triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box it's always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5. Same for the other side. This box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. But we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Alright. More triple boxes. No, how about quarter boxes? I see here one quarter box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. One box left with the 2 should be there. This box can be 3, this box can be 4, so the 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 1. Alright. Do we have more quarter boxes here? Nope. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first shape is this shape. Let me see this shape here. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Only 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. More T shapes? Yeah. Upside down here. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Then, here another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3 or a 4 there. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Yeah, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are... Nope. We have another one here. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Then, let me see. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then this box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box will be a 1. Because it can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then let me see. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Alright. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. This box can be 4, that box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, okay. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1, 5. I need to think. This, oh wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left. The 4 and 5 is connected with that box, so 4 and 5. 2 and 3. Need a 2 here. This box can be 2, this box can be 5, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Is connected with that box, so 2 and 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 3 and 4, we have 4 down, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 4. 4 or a 5, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, so 5. Two numbers left, four numbers 2 and no 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 2. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surrounding 2 can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there. If I place the 2 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 2, but we already have a 2 there. So not the solution place the 2 there. The only place left 2 should be here. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1 is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 3 and 5. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution place the 2 there. The only place left 2 should be here then. 2. I need a 4 here. Okay. Well, I need a 3 and a 5. 3, 5, and a 4. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we need a 3 in one of these 3 boxes. Cannot place the 4 here because we need... Oh. Cannot place the 5 here because we need a 5 in one of these 3 boxes. So one digit left should be the 4 here. We already have a 4 here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and 5. This box should be, cannot be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 4 and a 5. Need a 3 here. This box cannot be 3 or 5. We have a double 3 there, double 5 there. Yeah. So 3 and a 5 should be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. It can be 3 or 5. We have a 3 and a 5 here. It can be a 4. Yeah, definitely a 1 here. Okay. So 3 could be here, could be there. And we need a 4 here. We have a 4 and a 5. Okay. Here I need to think. 3 and a 2. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Okay. I think this box should be also 4 or a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yeah, 4 or 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4 or 5. We have a 4 or 5 here. Yeah, definitely 2. So these 2 boxes left for numbers 4 and 5 as a pair. Then I need a 3 here. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. So 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So one digit left should be the 2 here. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3 or a 4. So one digit left should be the 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4 here. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. is connected with that box should be so 1 and a 3, but we already have a 1 here, so it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. 1 and a 4. Need to wait. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 3 and a 5. Need to wait. 2 and a 5. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. 3, 5. 1, 4, 5. 2. Oh, mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left. 2 and a 3. These 2 boxes can be 5. 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the 3. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 2. We have 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be there. And I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Mark this box with 2 or 5. We have a 5 there, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. And the final number in this area for number 3. Finished in 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle, but we solved it again, and I like this one here, so we do the fix. So, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.